Hi students, I'm Jeff, and today's conversation topic is sickness and injuries. So let's go over the vocabulary, the expressions, and the questions together, beginning with pronunciation. Repeat after me. Sickness. Terminal illness. A virus. A bug. A disease. Cancer. The flu. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. Diabetes. A heart attack. A stroke. Contagious. To hurt. To be sore. A headache. A stomachache. A backache. A cut. An injury. A wound. To bleed. A broken bone. A bruise. A sprained ankle. To pull a muscle. A first aid kit. Paralyzed. And now let me explain some of those for you. A terminal illness is a sickness that will kill you. It will result in death. A virus is a microscopic, non-living organism that causes a disease. A bug is slang for a virus. A disease is a serious, unhealthy condition in your body caused by an infection, genetics, or poison. The flu, that's influenza, a viral infection resulting in a sore throat, a fever, chills, and sore muscles. Pneumonia is the inflammation of the lungs. The lungs, the parts of your body that you use to breathe, caused by a virus or bacteria. Diabetes, a disease which involves having too much sugar in the blood. A heart attack is the sudden stopping of the flow of blood to the heart. A stroke is a sudden loss of brain function caused by a blockage or rupture of a blood vessel. Contagious means communicable, capable of transmitting a disease through contact. To hurt is to have pain or to cause pain. To be sore is to be painful or hurting. An injury is harm to the body. A wound is an injury involving the skin being torn or cut, and therefore bleeding. And to bleed means to lose blood. A bruise is an injury under the skin, resulting in the skin turning a different color, blue, black, purple, green, or yellow, in that area. So if I get a black eye, that means I've suffered an injury to my eye, and the skin has turned black or purple or blue. A sprain is a painful turning of the ligaments of a joint, so you can sprain a wrist or sprain your ankle. To pull a muscle is to extend a muscle too far or too quickly, resulting in tearing and therefore pain. A first aid kit, such as this, is a box containing basic medical supplies for basic medical treatment. To be paralyzed is to have lost the use of a part of the body, such as the legs and the expressions. If I say he is the picture of health, that means he has perfect health. If I say she is fit as a fiddle, that means she is in very good health. If I say I have been given a new lease on life, that means I have recovered from sickness and become healthy again, or have recovered from sadness and have become happy again. If someone is living on borrowed time, that means he does not have much longer to live. If I say Mary is at death's door, that means she is dying or very ill, and sometimes this expression is used as an exaggeration. If I say James is about to meet his maker, that means he's almost dead and he's going to see God very soon. And if I say Sarah kicked the bucket, that means she died. It's a rude way of saying to die. Alright, be sure to do the reading and listening. And let's go over the conversation questions. Think about these in preparation for our discussion. Number 1. How often do you get sick? What do you do to prevent sickness? What do you do when you get sick? 2. Talk about any injuries that you have had. How did you get them and what did you do about them? 3. How do you treat things such as headaches, stomach aches, and backaches? 4. Have you ever had any serious illnesses? How did you deal with them? 5. Do you prefer modern medicine or natural remedies? 6. How would you deal with knowing that you or a loved one had a terminal illness? 7. Which would be the worst, being blind, deaf, or paralyzed? Explain. 8. How important is one's attitude and thinking with regard to staying healthy and recovering from sickness and injuries? 9. Do any diseases or health problems run in your family? If so, explain. And 10. Do you have any comments or questions about the article? As always, thanks for watching and take care.